Hi, it's Friday. I'm so sorry I'm a little late today. I was out delivering things and had a meeting this morning, so I'm a little bit behind on doing our math lesson today. Our math today is lesson 11.1. Go Math 649 to 652, and it's on length. So we're going to first talk about measuring length. When you're measuring length, it's how long something is. And you can't measure by holding two things up and saying, oh yeah. You have to start them at the same line. So I'm going to put a black line right here, and that's where we're going to measure from, okay? If we take our two pencils and we put them right on that line, we can fully see that the top one was longer than the bottom. It was longer. If we put them right next to each other, you can see the top one is longer than the bottom. We're talking about longer and or shorter. So on the page 649, they want you to circle the longer pencil and cross out the shorter pencil. On page 650, we are talking about making trains that are longer than the trains that are there. So online, in your book, you have a red, a green, and a yellow train. You see your red, green, and yellow train? If I need to make a train longer than the red one, the yellow is longer than the red. If I put them right next to my line, the yellow is longer than the red. The next color is green, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes on our green. So anything longer than 4, let's think, is 2 longer than 4? No, is 6 longer. 6 would be longer. That would work. Could you make a train that's 10? Yes, and if you don't remember how to make your trains, go back to looking at plants all around us, and it shows you how to make your cubes if you don't have them. The last color on our paper is the yellow. Count your cubes. I counted 3. Did you count 3? Good. You need to make one longer than 3 cubes. Got it? Nice job. Now on 651, we're making them shorter. So if the 650 was longer, 651 is shorter. So we start off with our orange. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need it to be shorter. So if I had a train of 6, is that shorter? No, they're the exact same, right? But is 3 shorter? Is 3 shorter? Look at that. Looks way shorter to me. See that? Yep, shorter. So anything under 6 on the orange is shorter. The blue, oh, the orange had 7. I'm sorry, I only counted 6. The blue has 6 too. So if we go shorter than 6, we could go 4. Does 4 shorter than 6? 4 is shorter than 6. Good job. And then our last one is the red one. Let's count our squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we want to make one that is shorter. Is this one shorter? It is shorter when we hold them like this. Is it shorter? It is shorter. The green has 4. So 650 is longer, 651 is shorter. Now we're going to talk about something that could be the same. So we have longer, we have shorter, and we have the same. So on page 652, it has 3 pencils, just like teacher has 3 pencils. Let me see our pencils. I'm having a hard time holding them up. Our 3 pencils, there is one that is shorter than the other 2, and the other 2 are about the same, just like in our books. And we compare them like this. The top and the bottom are about the same. They're the same, and the middle one is shorter. So on 652, you need to circle the 2 that are about the same length. If you start them at this beginning and go across, they are the same. On number 8, you're going to draw 2 things that are the same length. You can run around your house and try and find 2 things that are the exact same length. You could go ahead and make your own cubes and show them the same length. These are the same. I have 2 there, and when I put them together, it looks just like one because they are the same length. Hope you have fun looking for things that are longer, shorter, and the same length. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.